Two lawsuits in Michigan allege that former President Trump is ineligible to run for a second term due to the events at the U.S. Capitol on January 6th of 2021.
At their core is infrequently used parts of an article of the Constitution. CBS News Detroit's Elle Myers spoke with an attorney taking on the suit. She has more from the state Capitol building in Lansing.
There are two lawsuits so far in Michigan that aim to keep former President Donald Trump off the ballot. Now, the crux of their arguments center around Article 3 of the 14th Amendment, which has been used before, but not regularly since after the American Civil War.
Trump, by trying to overturn the 2020 election and inciting the insurrection, the riot at the Capitol on January 6, 2021, has made himself ineligible to run for president. That provision prohibits people who engage in conduct like that, try to overturn an election and overturn the results. It prohibits people like that from running for office.
The lawsuit is against Michigan Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson, who has said she would not keep Trump off the ballot unless a court orders her not to.
So we filed a suit to get the court order that the secretary has asked for to declare Trump ineligible.
Her office could not comment on the pending litigation on Monday. Brewer's lawsuit is being brought by 4 Michigan voters who he did not name, and joins another already pending lawsuit brought by an organization called Free Speech for People.
I think we have a very strong case. There is no doubt in my mind that based on Trump's conduct, trying to overturn the 2020 election and then fomenting the riot, the rebellion that attempted to overturn the results on January 6th, that he is not eligible to run for president.
If the lawsuit in Michigan were successful, Trump would not appear on the primary ballot in February next year, nor appear on the general election ballot if he were to win the Republican Party's nomination.
Everybody is subject to the rule of law, and if you engage in the kind of conduct that Trump engaged in, trying to overturn elections, the Constitution is very clear. You cannot run for public office ever again. So that's all my clients are trying to do, is make sure the Constitution, the law applies to everybody, including Mr. Trump.
Now, CBS News Detroit reached out to the Michigan Republican Party and to the Ingham County Republican Party for comment on these suits, but did not hear back. For now, reporting in Lansing, I'm Elle Myers, CBS News Detroit.